Hey, what's up everybody? So today we are at the Dover Raceway in St. Ann, and as many of you may know, the Dover Raceway suffered some major damages after the passing of Hurricane Beryl, and so the track was pretty much unusable. And so this weekend, members of the JRDC as well as well-wishers came out to clean up the track, and trust me, it's amazing the amount of work that was done. So stay tuned, we're going to give you a little highlight of what's happening right here at the Dover Raceway. Big up.
.876 Streets is powered by
Massive Auto Parts. Quality parts and cars at unbeatable prices.
Swift Team Services. Your freight, our priority.
Jeffrey Constructions Limited. It's all in the name.
And Swift Gallery, one of the directors of the JRDC. We are here at Dover Raceway, conducting one of our track day cleanups. We're on day 2 of ongoing exercise to clean up the track. It was in I would say, a very unusable state and almost unreachable. And we are here with all the efforts of members of the club and some non-members to get the track back to racing form. The extent of the damage was wide. Just trying to access the track was a problem. We had lots of trees down in the roadway and lots of, just debris all over the place. So with the backhoe, we got that cleared. On the back straight, we had lots of overhanging trees. Because of Beryl, past hurricane, we had a lot of damage. On the front straight, we had trees hanging over. We have sponsor signs blown down, zinc on top of the roof. I mean, just grass growing in the middle of the track, just because of the excess rain and all that. So it's taken a lot of effort to really get the track to where we want it to be.
Alright, so will we see something like this coming up again soon?
The idea is that we're trying to get the bulk of the work done right now. We're trying to just do all the hard labor, all the big trees that need to cut down. It's just one of the many. We will need another day, another weekend, maybe another 2 weekends to get the track perfect. But for now, with all the support that we've gotten, we're really cutting down that time frame, you know, as much as possible.
All right. Thanks much, Vivi.
Big up.
Go for it.
Kevin Gardner here, director of the Jamaica Race Drivers Club. As you can see, we're here doing a cleanup. I'm here using some chemicals to kind of suppress the weeds in areas that the lawnmower or the tractor cannot access. But we're here trying to get the facility back up and running so that we can continue hosting race meets. I mean, facility is massive and a lot of grass, so you know, a lot of effort is being put into it. But we're here along with members of the club and fans, well-wishers. We're putting in a good effort to try to see how quickly we can get back this place up and running.
All right, big up. Archie. Why? I didn't know so bad for the last.
That's it here, man, you know, man.
Bless up.
Yeah.
So we're here with Corey Taz, no stranger to Dover, actually a racer himself, right? We realize you're running the big machine this weekend.
Yeah, man. The formula, you know?
Yeah.
Formula machine.
Oh, the cleanup exercise. I know you've been here from what, Friday?
Yes, I was here from Friday.
Yeah, so how has it been though?
Well, based on how the place was looking, I think we're doing very well. As you can see, we started up by the main entrance. Currently on the front straight away now.
Alright, so if you're still watching, thank you.
Good job!
We are currently at the Island Net corner. Island Net is one of the sponsors of the JRDC. Now, the back straight behind me here was one of the areas that was severely damaged due to downed trees and all. And I must say that it's looking much better now, thanks to the hard-working team that were here over the weekend. So let's take a closer look.
Teamwork and your dream work, brother.
That is it.
You see,
Looking
charge
good.
two battery and give somebody some gas and
Alright.
get something else going, you know?
Alright, cool. All right, so we are here with a member of the JRDC for many years. Dwayne or Dane? Dane Supper Corn. All right. Now, I mean, I know you've been here from yesterday, giving your contribution. Tell us, you know, about your involvement over the weekend.
Part of the back host time is paid time,
Okay.
and part is donated. So that's my contribution to the cleanup weekend.
Appreciate it. And I mean, I know the amount of work. It's extensive. The amount of work here is extensive. So I must say thank you for your contribution.
Club is most welcome.
Big up.
All right, thank you.
Man.
Come here.
I want everybody to meet my stepson from Niger, from Brownstown. Him not really look like me still, but I will go and mind him until he look like me. Right? I send some money come give him. And I don't know, I send 2 pair of shoes to him, 2 Western Union. So I don't know if Nigel do with the money.
If he eats that one.
If he eat it or what, but I can see still. That truck down there, that Peterbilt,
Yeah.
that is about 3/4 of what it costs. I pay for it. That's what I gave to Nigel lady.
Yeah, progress now, man. Come driver, we want you. Come driver.
Yeah, Mr. Come driver. How about driver?
I'd like to send a lot of thank yous, a lot of appreciation to A1 Equipment. They've been the biggest support we've had, providing the Bobcats, and just massive support financially to help get things going. Big thanks to Island Net. Big team, workmen, you know, manpower, chainsaws. Big thanks to Brownstown team, Nigel, Mia, Stopper, can't say it enough. Big thanks to Dean Carudos for helping us with the backhoe. All the members, I can't remember everybody here. Mitchie, Bolt, I mean just to name a few. You know, we've got Bobby Marshall. You know, what can I say? So we're here doing the best that we can. Thanks.
Alright guys, so this is where we wrap up this weekend of cleanup at the Dover Raceway. As you can see, the team is still hard at work, and yeah, we look forward to seeing everybody at the next cleanup. One love, big up.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.